Do you like K-pop? Or like Korean culture and stuff? So like, I got an event for you guys real quick. So the Embassy of the Republic of Korea in Jamaica will be hosting its annual K-Lovers Party, okay? And at the K-Lovers Party, there is a speech contest, talent contest, and also a quiz contest. By the way, the price for each contest is like $300 US. I hope y'all realize that. So not only do you get to celebrate Korean culture, there are prizes to be won, giveaways, and on top of it all, the event is free. Free, $0. So with that being said, come out to the K-Lovers Party 2024. It's being held at the Venetian at Terra Nova on Wednesday, July 10th, starting at 4 p.m., okay? Your girl will be entering the talent contest as well, so I hope to see y'all there, okay? Bye!